Hey guys, this is Amy here with Beloved Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my August cloth and paper subscription box. I feel like I just did my July one, but the month of August has absolutely flown by and I'm so excited that I got this yesterday. So I have not looked at anything in here yet. So what you see will be the first time I see it too. So I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and we will get started. All right, so let's get this guy opened up. So they always include a nice little card that kind of gives you an overview of everything that's included. So I'll keep this handy as I go through the box so that I can tell you exactly what everything is. I'm gonna pull out this whole thing. And I love using these boxes just to ship, like if I do giveaways and that sort of thing. They're great for planner products or just wrapping gifts. They're awesome sized boxes. I feel like I'm gonna have a whole collection of them coming up soon. All right. I love when they like send all this beautiful quote stuff. Oh, this is really pretty. This looks to be an 8x10 size. I think I'm gonna put this in a frame and just put it somewhere in either at work or somewhere that I can see it regularly because I love how simple it is and it's on a really nice cardstock. All right, let's dive in here. Lots of goodies. I also this month got a subscription box from Jane's Agenda, so check that video out if you haven't yet. That one I recently posted as well, and that is a super fun box, has a completely different feel to it than this box. So I'm loving these subscription boxes. Gives me some opportunities to try out new products without having to like make big purchases of like entire planner insert things, and it just gives you some fun things to try out and see if you like. So first up we have, this looks to be the I Am the Architect dashboard. So these are on a really nice, like a thick vellum paper, and a lot of these you can put on top of the different dashboards they have, and they're really pretty. So this is really fun. Love the clean design. Okay, so we have stuff for October in here because the July box has September in it too. So I do love how they plan so far ahead. So here's another dashboard for October 2020. And then we've got, so this is on a really soft, they call it the soft touch material. Man, it's really, really hard to even describe. But look how rich that color is. So this is intended to go, you can put these behind the dashboards. It just gives a really fun design for that. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be an S. I think it's just a bunch of abstract shapes and whatnot. So yeah, we could use that one, or we could even do this one too. I think I like the October one on top of that better. So I'm using these in my planner at my office. I'm using cloth and paper pretty much exclusively except for the discs and the cover. So I'll be doing a flip through of that. I'm still in the process of kind of building it, figuring out what exactly I'm going to have in there. So here we have a habit tracker. This looks like a new design. So it says, this lets you set monthly goals for your habits with an included notes section for reflecting on your progress. Oh yeah, these are nice, and their paper is just gorgeous, high quality. So you can do the month here, habits, what your goal is, and any notes. Same thing on the back side. There's a bunch of those. Those are awesome. So I get the classic Happy Planner size in these, and if you're new to these boxes, you can choose what size you want depending on what kind of planner you use. So you don't have to worry about like having to buy a whole new planner or anything like that. So next up we have executive notes insert. Yes, there we go, executive notes. And this has dot grid. This is kind of nice. I like having these at work for my different notes on projects and things I'm working on. So we have got the subject up here and then a way that for you can mark the date, and then it's just dot grid for different notes, and same on the back side. So then we have our October 2021 style insert. So this is one of their vertical styles that they'll have available for 2021 planners. And it has like a dashboard on the, or not a dashboard, but like a, I want to call it like a currently page for the month. And then you've got your monthly, and then you've got this vertical layout, which I really enjoyed the simplicity of. You can use it for so many different things. It's just open to whatever you need, and it's every week is on a spread. So that's for October. Now into the fun little goodies here. So we've got, let's start with our stickies. The colors of these are oat milk and sorbet. They always have really fun colors that are really pretty and neutral. So I will punch these. So I keep all my cloth and paper, like little extras and things on this little, I'm gonna have to put some bigger rings on here, I think. But so I will punch these and add them to my collection because then I can easily pop them into my different planners when I want to use them. So I'll get those added. Those are beautiful. Okay, next up, the different journaling cards. So these are always kind of fun. So we've got one that says minimalism. And then we've got an October one. So I do usually punch these and then I put them in by my dashboard. It's a nice way to have a little month reference because not all my planners show that. And then this is a nice little new cardstock journaling card. That's kind of cool. You can just punch that or tape that down to a dashboard. And then last but not least, we've got some more sticky notes. These are new and they're transparent tab sticky notes, it looks like. So, oh my word, these are cool. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, but these are clear. Oh my gosh, these are cool. This is gonna, I have to really think how I'm gonna use these because these are gonna be really slick. Yeah, those are awesome. So these are transparent and then white tab sticky notes. So I can see using these along the top of the planner. If you have a section you just want to flip to quick, that's, you don't want to necessarily dedicate an entire divider to, you can easily use these and just put a little lettering up at the top to dictate what that is. So those are really cool. I think these are going to be huge hits. So yeah, those are in transparent and then what they call matte blanc, which is just a nice thick white. So there is the August cloth and paper subscription box. If you guys haven't checked it out yet, feel free to do so. I'll have the link below. It is a super fun way that I think this is my 4th one now and I've loved everything I've gotten. And it's just really fun to try out different products like I said before. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome week and happy planning.